Today we're looking at Sir Clean Corp in Miami Beach, Florida. And let me start with what they're clearly doing right. A 4.9-star rating across 211 Google reviews. That is genuinely hard to earn, and it tells me customers love the actual work. This review is only about their online marketing, because that's where the leaks are. First, we ran a live map scan for Water Damage Restoration Company, across a 5-mile radius around the business. Sir Clean appeared in the top 3 map pack 0% of the time, and the average rank wasn't even in the top 20. Here's why that hurts. Most customers never scroll past those 3 map results, so for the huge majority of nearby searches, this business is effectively invisible. Next, their mobile site scored 34 out of 100 on Google's own speed test, with the main content taking 11.7 seconds to show up. Someone with water damage is on their phone, in a panic. A page that's slow gets abandoned, including visits they're paying for. And they are paying. The site runs Google Ads, but we found no call tracking software. Most local service leads pick up the phone. Without call tracking, Google can't learn which clicks actually turn into booked jobs. Same story with click fraud protection. The ad tag is there, but nothing is guarding the budget. Bots and competitors clicking ads typically burn 10 to 20% of local service ad spend with 0 leads. If this were my account, that's the first thing I'd fix. We also found no meta pixel, the small snippet that lets you show follow-up ads to people who already visited your site. That's one of the cheapest ad channels available, and it's sitting unused. On the SEO side, the homepage has 10 H1 tags. That's the headline signal that tells Google what the page is about. There should be 1 clear one, 10 just dilutes it. And 22 of 41 homepage images are missing alt text, the short descriptions Google reads for image search and that screen readers rely on. Now here's the bigger point. None of this is advanced stuff. These are basics. And when basics get missed, it's usually because agencies collect monthly retainers while junior staff juggle 80 accounts and nobody actually looks. If someone's being paid to run this marketing, they should have caught it. And here's what most owners don't know yet. With AI, fixes like these can now run automatically. With a bit of guidance, you can bring your marketing in-house and own the whole thing, never depending on an agency again. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.